Hello students, today we are going to study the impurities present in the pharmaceuticals or pharmaceutical compounds. There are the various impurities which are present in pharmaceutical compounds which gives rise to various sources of impurities and types of errors involved in the pharmaceutical preparations and quality control department. There are some terms which are involved to determine these sources and types of errors. First one is the accuracy. Accuracy is a degree of agreement between the experimental result with the true value. It is called accuracy. When the experimental results are compared with the true value which is present in Indian Pharmacopoeia or in official book, it is compared. It is called as accuracy. Precision, it is a degree of agreement between experimental result with its same quantity. Same quantity of results is repeatedly taken and that results is compared with the experimental result, that is called as precision. There are some errors which are due to the analyst, due to instrument, due to equipment, or due to a faulty analytical balance, or due to the faulty chemicals. These errors are mainly two types: determinate error and indeterminate error. Determinate error, its name itself indicates that it is a determinable. Determinable means those errors which can be avoided or which can be corrected. These are called as determinant errors. Indeterminate errors which are not corrected and not avoided, these are called as indeterminate errors. And what is the significant figures? It is the significant figures are the rounding of figures. Rounding of figures, suppose example is 1.8, we are going to 1.89, we are going to rounding of figures, that is 1.9. If the example is 1.899, then it is also 1.9. If the rounding of figure in 1.999, then it is 2. That is called as rounding of figures and significant figures which are involved in the analysis. Next is impurities in pharmaceutical substances and sources of impurities in pharmaceutical substances. There are various sources of impurities in pharmaceutical substances. First one is a raw material used in manufacturing process. Second is method or process used in manufacturing. Third is reagent and solvent used in manufacturing process. Fourth is reaction vessels, and fifth one is atmospheric contaminants. And sixth one is decomposition of the product during storage. In short, you can remember or give the mnemonic to these sources of impurity, that is RRMAD. Triple R raw material, R reaction, R reagent, and MAD. M for method, A for atmosphere, and D for decomposition. These are the sources of impurities. Next is the point is effect of impurities on pharmacopoeial substances. Impurities which have a toxic effect can be injurious when present above certain limits. Impurities, even when present in traces, may show the cumulative toxic effect after a certain limit. Impurities are sometimes harmless but are present in a such large proportion that the active strength of the substance is lower, thus the therapeutic effect of the drug is decreased. Impurities may bring about change in the physical and chemical properties of substance, thus making it medicinal useless. First, it may be produces toxic effect. Second, may produces cumulative toxic effect after certain limit. All of you very well known about what is mean by toxic effect or injurious effect. Next is what is mean by cumulative toxic effect. After certain duration, means if the drug or taken, it is not produces immediately effect or immediately toxic effect. After certain period, the drug remain inside your body, and after years or after months, it is produces a toxic effect, that is called as cumulative toxic effect. Third effect is impurities are sometimes harmless but present in a such large proportion that the active strength or effect of the substance is lowered, thus the therapeutic effect of the drug is decreased. Impurities may bring about the change in physical and chemical properties of the substance. physical and chemical properties. In short, for example, some tablets which are having a white color which get changed to duff or buff colored. Impurities may cause technical difficulties in the formulation and use of the substance. Impurities may lower the shelf life of substance. Shelf life is the life of that substance. That shelf life. Impurities, though harmless in nature, may bring about the change in odor, color, taste, etc., thus making the use of the substance unethical as well as unhygienic.